introduce one of our newly designed work lights, and it's by the code name OSL. And you can see here it's a long version of work light, and it's visually different from our C series work light. And I want to tell you that when I put this light in my hand, I can feel that it's very robustly designed. You can see in the back you have this big chunk of aluminum act as a heat sink for the product, and when the LED is at work, it generates a lot of heat, and that amount of heat needed to be going somewhere else, and so you can see all these spikes here actually is increase the surface area of the product, so it can help to dissipate a lot of heat that is generated by the product. And you can see inside it has 9 pieces of diodes, and together each with 2 watts, and together they can deliver a 1000 lumen light output. Okay, and as you can see, it was very strongly built, and it actually can adapt itself to a multiple different extreme environments. To be specific, this product can be used in a high temperature as high as 70 degrees and low temperature as low as -30 Celsius degree. And also it can be used in a very damp environment, and when you put this on a car, on a van, and it will not interfere with your, let's say, car radio, so because it was EMC and EMI approved. So this SL work light can be functioning from a wide voltage range, from 10 to 33 volts. So that's a pretty wide range for a vehicle applied item. And when it comes to installation, actually it's quite easy and simple. And you put this on the side of your vehicle, let's say a van or a truck, and it can deliver a beam angle of 6 degrees wide and 80 degrees across. And you can see in front of me there are 3 different color options we prepare for our customers: white, red, and black. And so for any viewers that are interested in our new work light item, please contact 911 and we will get a sample to send out to you.